Hi, I'm Miranda with Center for Rural Affairs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the sewing machine. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Brother sewing machine and sew some bias onto your pot holder. You're going to turn your machine on. These are all the stitches that are available on this machine. Today we're going to use a zigzag stitch. So we're going to change our needle to a 4 and then adjust our tension over here. We're going to add our bias to our pot holder. Lay that inside the fold. Fold that over. You want to make sure that your foot of your sewing machine is up. So use this lever in the back and lift it up. Place your pot holder underneath the foot. Push your foot back down to hold it in place. Using the pedal, going to push down and start your machine. And guide it through. Once you reach the end, using your lever back here, lift your foot up. Using the dial over here, turn it to lift your needle up and release your fabric. Pull slightly on your threads and cut them off in the back with the little cutter.